you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Perfect.
What you got running there, man? I got 4 18s. It's all def Bonce. I got the SVL 18s. Each one of them's on a 7900 def Bonce amp.
Yes, sir. My daughter want to get her first demo with you, man.
Right on.
She said, yeah, she got some wind blowing out of it. I said, okay, I'll take you over there.
Yeah, I've been letting things cool down. I've been going crazy.
You been there everything yourself?
Everything.
Yes.
It was in the bed, but last weekend I scooted it all the way up.
Yeah.
I had a back seat in here.
Really? And nothing like building it yourself, man.
Sister bitch. Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT?
I was 27. Let me give you 19.
You got 19?
Give you some 19.
It's an AMPERE sub, right? With 7900.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man.
Here's you some wind.
Okay. What you, let them know what you're running there again, man.
It's 4 SVL 18s. Each one of them has their own AK.
Yeah. What, let them know what you, where they can find you on social media. I can't get my words out.
Find me on TikTok at BradTeam808.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. And she wanna put your lean up toward this way. Turn this way. So you, yeah. That way your hair will blow. So thank you. Appreciate it, man. We'll see what's in the back.
Yeah, no, that the guy who wears green and pink,
Which one?
that one's
Think about it.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.